In a surprise move, the Transport Commissioner M.K. Ayyappa has termed the carpooling services by popular taxi aggregators Uber and Ola as illegal. In fact, this particular decision comes just right after the drivers took to the streets 2 days ago demanding the taxi aggregators increase their incentives and also decrease their commission. In fact, we are told by H.G. Kumar, the additional commissioner of transport, that according to Karnataka on-demand transport technology rules of 2016, carpooling services are illegal, and he told us that he will be initiating, the transport department will be initiating action against the taxi aggregators for running carpooling services without prior permission. Also, what we understand is that this particular decision of banning the carpooling services has not gone down well with quite a few people here in the city who in fact use this particular service on a regular basis. However, we are also told by traffic expert Sri Hari that if this particular carpooling service comes to an end, it is only going to increase the traffic woes in the city. And in fact, we also know at this point in time is the traffic commissioner and the traffic department will be convening a meeting with the drivers and the representatives of popular taxi aggregators, and they will be deciding on Monday whether or not the taxi aggregators can run the cabs on carpooling services. In Bengaluru, Shrija for Magic Bricks Now.
We are given contact carriage permit to them, so they can carry passenger from one place to another place, from one point to another point. But they cannot pick up or set down passengers en route. So that becomes illegal. Since the entire Bangalore is a notified area, no private operator can operate as a stage garage. If they carry the group of persons from one point to another point, we don't have any objections. Either on a sharing basis or individual basis, we don't have any objection. But if they carry passengers on a regular stage carriage basis from one point to another point, or picking or setting up passengers en route, it becomes illegal. It becomes a total violation of permit conditions.
Also, sir, this is just a violation. Is that because you're terming it illegal?
Yeah, it is a violation of permit conditions. We can book cases against them.
Okay.
But at present, the High Court has stayed the rules, but we cannot, at present, we cannot go ahead with the enforcement work.
Also, so what we understand is that don't you think carpooling also helps in reduction of pollution?
I agree. Carpooling certainly reduces the traffic congestion as well as the pollution, but that doesn't mean that we should violate the permit conditions, no.
Mm-hmm. So will you also be coming up with a rule like that, sir, in future?
No, we already made it, but however, after the High Court judgment, a final judgment, we will give clarification to them.
But government is worried on the other hand, the security and the safety. Well, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, imagine a lady want to come use a Uber or a Ola. If such a case, some car sharing will come into picture, so the safety and security will be in danger. How to safeguard the lady, in fact? Even allowing individually in a car, Uber or Ola, the ladies are finding it very difficult. Number of crimes happening to the ladies. So that is one thing, because it all comes under unorganized sectors.
Due to sharing, most of the additional cabs will not be plying on the road. So the traffic issue will be solved in that case.
See, first of all, it's like most of the college people use Ola, Uber and all, and we don't have much money with us. Sharing is, first of all, like really good and efficient. I think they should not ban it. I mean, it's like, yeah, if you think of student perspective, then it's very useful, helpful for us.
I don't think they should not ban. It is more environment friendly, so they should continue.
With the kind of traffic that Bangalore has, the sharing is very much required. So they should not ban it.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.